Afternoon everybody, Willow Tree here. It's August 2023 and we've got a quick unboxing of a couple of the Revolution Trains General Manager's Inspection Saloons. Got the British Rail grey and blue and also the Network Rail Brunswick green. So, box. Can't get excited about a box. Accessories, various pipes, a knuckle coupler and obviously a tension hook as required. And here is the inspection saloon in the BR colours of grey and blue. Here's the instructions, or the manual, whichever you want to call it. Although this is Caroline, it's pretty much the same for both of them. This shows you the various fronts for it, depending on which model you get. Blue and grey, Network Southeast, or the green. Where to fit the bits and pieces, and also the lighting, as this comes with lights. Some history, don't know if you knew, but apparently Princess Diana and Prince Charles used this on their wedding to go and tour. Parts list, story of history. Also the Pope travelled in this once apparently. And a nice little thought at the back here is some various different configurations which actually saw the usage of the coach if you want to make up your own versions. And on the back is the person named Caroline, who the Brunswick green one is actually named after. Here's first looks outside the box. The second horn is actually in there, it's come off, it's in the actual box. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but in that bit there are the switches for the various light options that you can get. If you fiddle with them, turns on the interior lights or off the interior lights. There's also lights that shine down underneath the train, as well as the front and rear lights. And this is the green one, called Caroline. Again, is a box. Inside, same level of detailing parts again. Nothing comes, but this one has actually got etched nameplates. Instructions, same as the other one. Don't need to see that twice. Much more colourful, this one. A bit more closer detail. Apparently one of the other differences is that there's a third rail shoe pickup on this one, but not on Caroline. Plenty of underframe detail, as you can see. Good printing. And there, I think, although it's not particularly noticed, is the shoe. Interior detail differs between both of them. Front detailing, for those that are interested, it has got some sprugging buffers there. It's already got a drop coupler fitted in a bash plate, and obviously there's the bag for the extra bits. And the other end, this has got the tension lock hook. Roof detail, as you see it. As I've already said, one of the horns has fallen off, but it's in the box. And this is the green one, which by all accounts is as it is now, currently in service. Printed Caroline, which obviously you've got etched nameplates to replace. Different style of curtains, different style of chairs. Compare them at the end. Lots of underframe detailing. And no third rail shoe pickup. And the other side. the light that shines downwards. And again, some limited sprung buffers, drop knuckle, and all the bits in the bag available to put more pipework on. And the other end with the normal coupler. Slight difference also is some where the horns are. There's a little radio mast which isn't on the other one. Other than that, the roof is pretty much the same. Side by side, blue and greys on the right, Caroline's on the left. Difference obviously in the lights and the layouts, and the jumpers already fitted. You can probably just see also difference in the cab interior. The other end. Warning flashes on Caroline and the small radio antenna. Other differences obviously. Bogies are picked out, green Caroline, yellow running boards, a bit more information, different coloured curtains. And different styles of chairs. It's not that obvious. And apparently there's also third rail pickup shoe on this one, which is not on the current version. See the wingback chairs on Caroline, and more ordinary bench type seats on the BR1. And the lighting. This is straight ordinary DC. Interior lighting. There's the little puddle light shining down. In DC, if you just switch polarity, it changes the end. The lights have gone out on this end. Lighting on Caroline. On this one, just changing the polarity flicks the running lights on from white to red depending on which way you're going. And the lighting is all switchable from the switches in the bottom if you don't have a decoder in. And that is a very quick unboxing and comparison of the two Revolution Trains General Managers Inspection Saloons that I've got, BR Blue and Grey and Network Green. Quite a high level of detail for coaches, and lighting. It's up to you whether or not you think they're worth the money.